Here guys, this is a primary epoxy paint, white color, and I mix with skim coat powder, and I thought it won't get hard, but it is harder than the body pillar. Look at that, it's just like a stone. And I make it again, hardener, and then next to the paint, mix it thoroughly. And then I prepared skim coat, added water, and mix it thoroughly like that, and added with paint, and mixing paint, mix it thoroughly, and then add hardener and mix it thoroughly again. And now it's ready to use to cover all the rough walls and cracks like that. It's easy to use like that. And the result is too small. Actually, it takes 24 hours to dry. So just leave it there. I just leave it there and find another hole or box. After 24 hours, let's check. Then this is the one that I overall that just like S1, and still need another putty. Sure enough, it's just like a carpet or cement. It won't scratch or crack like that. So guys, that's all for now. I hope that you enjoy my video, and if you have any questions, can you please comment in the comment section box. I will reply as early as my opportunity. Thank you for watching guys. See you to my next video.